Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet a hair tie. I'm going to use the yarn in maroon color, then in hair tie, scissor, 4.5 mm hook, yarning needle and a pearl. I'm going to start with a magic ring. To make a magic ring, you'll have to wrap the yarn around your two fingers like this and then hold it like this. Then insert your hook, grab this yarn and pull it like this, hold it and then make a chain. So this is the magic ring. Now into the ring I'm going to make 6 single crochets. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both of them. Make total of 6 single crochets. After making the single crochets, pull this yarn and close the ring. On the top of the first single crochet, I'm going to make a slip stitch. Now make 3 chains. Then yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull it as much as you can. Yarn over again, insert your hook, yarn over and pull it up. Pull as much as you can. Now you'll have to do this for a total of 10 times. Now yarn over and pull through all of them. Make 3 chains and then into the next stitch make a slip stitch. So you can pull your stitch a little backwards and then you can see your next stitch. So this is the next stitch. I'm going to insert my hook there and make a slip stitch. Now make 3 chains and we'll start our second petal. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop and pull as much as you can. Yarn over, pull through all of them. Make 3 chains and then into the next stitch. Then make a slip stitch. So we made 2 petals. Now just like this you'll have to complete rest of your 4 petals and then I'll see you. So I've made all the 6 petals. Now to make a slip stitch I'm going to make it into the same stitch. Make a chain and then I'm going to cut it a little long. Now I'm going to use the yarning needle. Now I'm going to insert the needle into this middle part. Then I am going to take the pearl Then I'm going to tie a knot. Then take your hair tie and then place it like this. Then I'm going to tie a few knots. And then I'll cut the thread. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching the video.